This is where I started. And this was my 4-week progress after using the Murad Retinol Resurgence Overnight Treatment. Look at the tremendous difference in the redness, the clarity of the skin, reduction in lines, wrinkles. My skin looks lifted. My skin was lifted. And this, my beauties, is today, 4 months after I started the Resurgence Overnight Retinol Treatment. So yes, let me explain how it works. Retinol is the most effective form of vitamin A, and this one, the Murad Overnight Treatment, has a pharmaceutical-like encapsulated delivery system. So it is so effective. Not just that, it works so quickly. You will notice a difference in your skin texture and clarity within the first 2 weeks of using it. It actually helps to lift and sculpt the face in the first 4 weeks of using it. And you can see the difference 4 months after using it. My skin just looks so much more healthy, youthful, plump, glowing. I use this every night before I go to bed. Also, because I know you're gonna ask, even the most sensitive skins can use this one. This is just not your ordinary serum. It's a serum that works. You will see visible changes in your skin. Yep.